We're recording. Mary's telling Thomas to get her food. Guess what came in the mail? Stitch Fix. So, let's see what we got. The tape's actually ripped off a little bit today.
Yeah, it came
What
like that.
do we have in the way of swords today?
Okay, this part's gonna fall off. I'm gonna reglue it.
Hold on. This is a friend of mine actually had me bring this home for Mary.
Blade side is up.
Blade side is up?
Yeah. So
Wow, look at that one. All right, you're right. The hilt's coming apart. Needs a little repair. But let's see how this works. If it's better than Ember to open. Oh wow, it's sharp. And we don't really need a whole lot.
Ember just needs some TLC.
Have you named this one?
I have not.
There you go. That one
Part
was
of me
really
says give
sharp.
it like a traditional Japanese name, and the other part says call it Steve or something. Like
Steve sounds good.
ridiculous.
All right, and in my Stitch Fix box is the envelope to return anything I do not care to keep. My invoice and styling cards, which tell me what's in here. We'll look at those later. And here is my bundle.
Tank.
You know what? I did actually pin something that was pink, and I thought it was a warm pink, and I think that's a cool pink, but it looks awfully muted and gray and brown in there, and I'm not quite into those colors.
If it's with
Oh,
black,
there's
it's
green in
fine.
there too. Let's see what's in here. And there's one other thing. And that is jewelry. I'm not a huge jewelry person, but let's see what's in here. All right, should we do the bundle first or the jewelry first?
Bundle.
I dented my nail polish. All right, let's see what's in here. This might be the thing I pinned. Let's actually read the note first, and let's see what she said. So, let me see what we have here. That's interesting. It's not Courtney either, it's Aubrey. So this is a completely different stylist. Hi Monica, I enjoyed styling your fix today. I think they require them to always say that in every note. Thanks for sharing your Pinterest, it was really helpful. The easiest way to transition from winter to spring is with a pair of trusty pants and a colorful top. These bootcut pants from Cut from the Cloth are a great anchor for the fun Skies Are Blue crochet detail top. I saw you pin this top, and I noticed some of the previous tops have been too big, so I went ahead and sized down for you. While it's still cool, earn some extra fashion points by wearing this combo with a cozy cardigan or the Skies Are Blue blazer. Now, Courtney said she had a blazer she was waiting to come back in stock for me. I don't know if it's the same one or Aubrey just picked a different blazer. I have been looking for a blazer. When the first warm days make their appearance in 2018, you'll want to be ready to soak in that vitamin D. Yes, I certainly do. This 41 Hawthorn blouse is perfect for catching some rays when you wear it with your favorite shorts. It would also look great with the bootcut pants in this fix, Aubrey. Courtney did pretty well after Mitch. Mitch was like the perfect stylist, but I am not a big fan of gray, although you know what? Okay.
Those are nice dress pants.
Yeah, these are Cut from the Cloth dress pants. These might actually really work for work. I thought she was talking about bootcut jeans, and I think I prefer straight leg. I really like skinnies, but very often skinnies are too skinny for me.
You need slim fit.
Slim fit anything is not ideal for me because I'm not slim, and if it's too slim, it won't fit.
Tapers down like skinny, but it's not spray painted to your leg like skinny jeans are.
All right.
That's all.
Anyway, this might be a good work trouser, and let's see what the size is on this. It's a 12P. In jeans, I'm almost always a 10. In dress pants, I go between a 10 and a 12 depending on how it's cut, so we'll see. Hey, this actually, although it's gray, this blazer looks like kind of a warm gray. It's like a sweater blazer. Ooh, look at that little detail. This might actually be something. It's like, let me show you the material. It's like kind of a cardigan blazer. This might actually work really well. And,
Green.
oh yes!
That's actually very you.
Oh,
Also-
I have had this pin forever. I saw, who got this? Georgia Sunshine, was that you that got it, Christy? I'm not sure who I saw have this. And what got me with this is there's the crochet detail, but there's material behind it. So you're not like flashing your undergarments when you're wearing this. It still looks like it's open, but there's actually material behind it. So I've been dying to try this. And I am so between sizes that sizing is always a problem for me. Now this is probably way too cool pink for me. I did say I like bright colors. I am not a fan of pink unless it's a warm pink because it kind of clashes. I think you can see right now it's going to clash with my hair and with my complexion. I have too much yellow in my complexion for a cool pink to work. A warm pink, like almost a coral, a flamingo pink, works okay with me. This is probably going to be no for color. Coral has a little orange in it. Coral can lean toward pink or it can lean toward orange. But we'll try these on. And then, oh, what else is in the box is the jewelry. All right, here it is. Here it is. Now, this color, by the way, what do you call this color on the box? What would you call that?
Kind of. It's not. It's like teal reversed, like more green than blue.
I would call it a turquoise, maybe, or an aqua, but it's neither, not quite either one of those.
Fancy colors. I'm just like, that's green.
I like this color.
Light green, dark green, blue.
It's
green.
not really. It's a blue green. All right. It's a warm blue or a cool green. This is a simple cuff. I don't know. Let's see. You can really see the joint in it really clearly, so I don't know about that. I suppose you're supposed to wear it up like that.
Well, it'll go whichever way it falls.
It goes nicely with the sweater I have on right now.
It's gaudy.
It's actually simple.
No, but it's weird seeing you like that.
Because I normally don't wear something like that. Although if I did wear something like this, this would be the kind of thing I would wear. I'll have to think about this and see how it goes with other things. All right. We'll be back in a little bit with a try-on. What did you think overall of the box?
I like green.
You like the green top. I hope that fits.
You can,
oh.
And the dress pants you can wear.
Here are the styling cards. I did want to show you guys, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will have a link below. That is a referral link, so if you sign up and order something, you get a credit and I get a credit. If you use the link, you'll actually get a credit toward your Stitch Fix. And I'll also have an explanation below of how Stitch Fix works. So if you're interested, you can click the description bar. They always send styling cards, which include the item you ordered. In this case, here's the blazer. And they give you suggestions of the sort of things you can look in your closet for to wear with it, things that would go with it. Here's that very pink top that I wish wasn't quite so pink, and some ideas of what you can wear with it. Now here's the crochet top, the skirt they recommend wearing with it. I love that skirt. I want that skirt. I don't know what it is, but I hope I get that skirt in a future fix. And so they'll always send you a styling cards and give you suggestions for how you can wear the items. All right, I will be back with a try-on. I originally had this on with the trousers she sent, and I'm going to show you just with the jeans at first. This is the blazer. It's really comfortable. It would fit better in a petite cut, but it's not. I don't think it's too large. It's a regular large.
Are the arms supposed to be that short?
Yeah, it's a 3/4 sleeve. Actually, a 3/4 sleeve on a normal person would be like that, but because my arms are short, a 3/4 sleeve just looks short on me. I could do this because the lining actually goes up, so I could go like that. I could keep it down. I just have, my arms are about 3 inches shorter than a normal person's arms. So, and now the shirt. All right. Let me hand this to you, Mary. This is the top. I did not look at the size. I suspect she sized down to a medium. What I really need is a large petite. This feels a little small.
It looks fine.
Think it looks fine? And the material behind it, this material behind the crochet, in this light it looked a little translucent, but it actually covers everything perfectly. I don't like my undergarments showing through a shirt. So I like the look of this. I'm not sure of the fit.
I think it looks alright.
It's okay. Probably depends on the price of it. It would certainly serve a purpose in the heat. It feels a little bit tight in the arms. This is no. First of all, you know I don't like anything going down here. Those who watch my videos, this is too small. It feels real tight in the chest. It feels real tight across here. It's completely the wrong color for me. Now, I did say in my note, I said I like bright colors. I like bright greens, bright warm blues, golds.
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah, and like
What?
the arm, like it just makes me want to vomit. Like it's really terrible.
Tell me how you really feel.
It's awful.
Right. It's a thick synthetic material. It's a really nice thick material. And if my coloring was different, this would look okay, but it is completely wrong, I think, with my coloring. Now, Here's the trousers. With my shoes there long, it could hem them. I can't wear heels, as most of you know, because of the neuroma in my foot. I have to wear flat shoes, which can make sizing a problem because I think these are designed to be worn with about 2-inch heels. They would work fine. These just feel too big for me. They may be hanging down also because they are, can you see? Move the jacket out of the way. They're a little big. They're not hugely big. My hips hold them up. Let me hand you the card. I'm just about sure I'm keeping that blazer. Let me... This top, I've wanted it for so long. I'm just not sure about it now that it's on me. Okay, recap here. I've been trying this blazer on with different tops, which is see how it works. Overall, I'd say my initial reaction to this fix is I'm kind of underwhelmed. I can't really make complaints because she did pull stuff straight off my Pinterest board. Again, sizing is a problem. I find it a fairly dull box. It has something I need. I need a blazer. I need tops for work, which she tried to send. I just don't think it really works that well for me. So I might not keep anything. I might keep this blazer. I might just exchange that green top if they have a large petite. And then we will see. So give me your feedback. Let me know. Bye-bye.